How to fix paper money option missing on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix paper money option missing on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. After that, tap on the bank icon that appears on the bottom menu. This will take you to this page here. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section named More Ways to Add Money. Under the section, there are more options. From them, make sure you tap this section here named Deposit Paper Money. If this option here is missing on your account, then don't worry, I will show you how you can get it. Come back to the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Under this section, there are more options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Next, scroll down. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. After coming to this section is named Support. Tap on it. Make sure you wait for the page to finish loading. On this page, there are options that you can use to get help or solutions to issues you face on the app. From the options that appear here, tap this one named Adding Money. This other page then appears. Under the page, there are more options that are all related to adding money. From them, make sure you tap this one named Paper Money Deposit. Finally, this page will appear where you will see more options related to depositing paper money. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, make sure you tap this one here named Chat. It is under the Contact Us section. After that, you will land on this chat box where you are supposed to type a short message explaining the issue you are facing to the support team. Make sure you explain to them clearly. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix paper money option missing on Cash App.